Who's having more fun? You sit. What, you don't like that one? That one did not pass muster. But this. Nope, not that one either. And nope, they're not chicken pot pie. Is that what you got, chicken pot pie?
And this is Toby.
Hi, this is Toby. He's about a year old. We got him out of a northern shelter. He is super friendly.
I see that. And boy, does he take treats very gently.
He is lovely. He's a lovely boy.
Gorgeous boy, too. He's got that muted grayish beige and beautiful greenish eyes. Does he walk nicely on a leash?
Well, Toby is just learning things. He can be a little wild sometimes. He's having a quiet day today. Come on, Toby. Let's go for a walk. Come.
He's very nice today.
We're just finished deworming Toby, and I think that has him a little under the weather. His tummy's not quite right.
Come
on. So it has him a little quieter than his usual energetic puppy self.
Okay. And is he dog friendly?
He is. He loves other dogs. He loves people. He loves dogs. He loves to mush with you on the couch.
Aw. And what age children would you suggest?
I'd just say a little bit older children because he is an energetic boy. Despite how quiet he's being today, he's got a lot of energy.
Okay, loves to run.
He does. He's crate trained. He likes toys.
Okay, how is he in the car?
He is good in the car. He's very good in the car.
Okay, so he has no nausea issues, nothing like that.
No, he was very good.
He can handle a car nicely. And he is available for adoption at Best Friend Dog and Animal Adoption, Inc. in northern New Jersey at bfdaaa.com. That's bfdaaa.com in northern New Jersey at Best Friend Dog and Animal Adoption. And you can email bestfrienddogAdopt@gmail.com. That's bestfrienddogAdopt@gmail.com for this dog-friendly, child-friendly. Is he housebroken?
Yes, he is, I think. I mean, we're still working on it a little bit. I think it's a bit new for him, but he is doing very well in being housebroken.
Beautiful. And he's only a year old, so he's still learning. Look how intent he is watching for a cookie.
He is very, very food motivated.
I see. And he sits very nicely for treats. Does he know any other commands?
No, all he knows so far is sit.
Okay, that's a good start.
Yep.
And again, this is Toby, Toby, at Best Friend Dog and Animal Adoption, Inc. in central northern New Jersey. Right now, he is in a foster home in central New Jersey, and he is available for adoption at bfdaaa.com. What I love is that he's waiting very patiently for his treat. He's not jumping all over you. He's not grabbing at it. He's waiting for you to release the food to him.
He can have his wild puppy running around the house moments.
Yes.
But he's never anything but just happy wild.
Okay. All right. And in terms of other dogs, as far as food and treats, does he have any issues when they
Nope.
get a treat or food?
Nope, everybody gets fed separately, but for treats, he'll sit and wait his turn
Okay.
with all the other dogs.
Very polite.
Yes.
Very handsome, very gorgeous dog. Let's let him go off leash a little bit. Does he like to chase a ball or anything?
He does.
Okay. Oh, there's something. I love the way he prances. He's very graceful.
He doesn't bring it back, he just likes to chase.
Okay. Most dogs do. They like you to do the work. This is Toby at Best Friend Dog and Animal Adoption, Inc. in a foster home in central New Jersey in Monmouth County. And he says, no, I don't feel like getting it. You get it. I know there are treats. Why should I chase the ball when there are treats? So as you see, he's quite intelligent on top of it. Just a nice, nice doggy. Beautiful size. How much would you say he weighs?
About 50 pounds.
About 50, I would guess that also.
He's probably, because he's young, he's probably going to end up being between 60 and 70.
Yes.
Off.
Strong boy. You know, eventually, you know, full size. But he's gorgeous. And I just love those eyes. Let's see if I can zoom in on these eyes. Toby, look at him. Okay, adopt Toby. Thank you.